as it cools, it will retain that shape into the rigid form again.
Nice.
Okay. So it's really good. You can use this for jewellery making, embellishments. It's really popular with sort of assemblage and altered art. So, whoop. I'm sorry.
Thanks.
The pig's tail.
Nice.
I can show you with this as well. You can also hand emboss it or machine emboss. Paints we use an acrylic paint, so it's quite inexpensive. The paint will really spread over it as well, so you don't need a lot. You can cup it, and if you make a mistake, you just reheat it, and you can reshape it. That can be done several times. So just let that cool a bit. Already gone quite solid, so
Nice. I'm still surprised at how firm it is. That it's, it looks like the foam.
It looks like it's going to be quite. So this is one. Yes, we use the deeper dyes. I'll show you. UK Physics bloggers use Bubbalux. I really enjoy using it as well. Use it in a number of products.
And so do you have to have the deeper dyes to?
Yeah, you can still use the other dyes, but it will only emboss.
I wonder, what about a personal cutting machine?
I've not used one of those.
Okay.
What?
Like a Cricut or?
Oh, we've got somebody trying that out today actually.
Okay.
So I can get back to you on that. So that's the shape I use to make these flowers. So you can sort of see how it begins its life and how it ends.
Nice.
Let me see what else.